hot ou deep condition your hair. Air can get dry out and damage from use of it styling tool, D, chemical straightener, en exposure toute sna. You may want to restore your hair moisture and body with high quality deep conditioning treatment. The right deep conditioning treatment can leave your hair moist and shiny. OSA product. Fin à deep conditioning treatment right for your hair type. There are many products on the market, and will tailor almad to restore moisture to hair. You should find a tailor for your specific need. If you have kinky, textured hair, look for product made specifically for kinky hair. If you have thin hair, look for product that are described light or weightless. Product made with oil will make your hair look vegged done. If you have curly hair, look for product designed to keep your frizz aback. Wash your hair. Use a gentle shampoo to strip your hair to mush. Avoid shampoo made with sulfate, which are abrasive cleaning agent à cleanser of natural oil lit to dry et sans breakage. Apply deep conditioning product. Use a dollop about 6 of a quarter into your hands en rub your hand jeté. Then apply product to your hair, beginning about halfway down the shaft and moving toward the tip of your hair. Then spray at the product ta on your hand from the root to the tip. Pay special attention to the tip, which tend to get dry and the rest of your hair. If necessary, use a weed to head con to distribute the product. Let the product set in. Deep conditioning treatment require at least 10 minutes jet to the core of a strand of your hair. Check instruction on the product you are using, as some may suggest let on longer, but most should work in 30 minutes or less. You may want to keep the conditioning in place by covering your head with a plastic shower cap, but it's optional. Apply it. Some products suggest using hair dryer to heat the product in your hair, which allow it to get absorbed into your hair more easily. Use a blow dryer on a setting to direct hot air your head and to roughly heat the product. Make sure the hair dryer de inject to hot, since you don't want to melt the plastic cap if you are using on. Rinse out the product. Remove the shower cap and rinse your hair with cool water, which will tighten the hair shaft and make it look shiny. After rinsing, towel dry your hair gently, then let it air dry and then still as usual. Your hair should be bouncy, glossy and well conditioned. Wear fed before shampooing your hair, so that you don't get the effect of the conditioning treatment by washing it out. Get your supply. To make a natural, effective deep conditioning treatment work for any type of hair, you only need a few items from the produce section. Puis, or check your refrigerator for the following item. Un avocado, 1,2 banana, 1,2 can coconut milk, 1,4 cup honey, 1 egg or 4 cup mayonnaise. Blanc ingrédients. Place item in a blender or food processor en pure thème until smooth. Make sure no cremain, or the treatment on by effective for your hair. Wash your hair. Use a gentle shampoo to on strip your hair to mush. Avoid shampoo made with sulfate, which are abrasive cleaning agent à cleanser of natural oil en lit to dry et sans breakage. Apply to conditionner. Use an oil pastry brush or your finger to spray at conditionner on to dans hair. Massage it in from the root to the tip, focusing on area that to get the driest. If you have very thick hair, separate it into section and apply the treatment section at a time, to make sure all of your hair is covered. If you have leftover deep conditioning treatment, you can store it in the refrigerator, or freezer, for later use. Allow the conditioner to soak in. You may want to cover the conditioner with a plastic shower capital to speed soaking in process. You can use a hair dryer on a setting to heat the conditioner. Rinse out your hair. Remove the plastic cap and run your hair in the cool water. Rinse effectivement until the water run clear and conditioner completely rinsed out. Gently towel dry your hair, ten stilita usual. Don usot water when you rinse your hair, it may cause an undesirable reaction with the egg or mayonnaise. We have fed before shampooing your hair, so that you don't get the effect of the conditioning treatment by washing it out. Make kick conditionné. Olive oil on work to get to deep condition your hair quickly, since to moisturize your hair and olive oil work to try it in. Mix un 4 cup au nez en un 4 cup olive oil in a bowl. Apply te conditionné. Dampen your hair, then use a pastry brush or your finge to apply to nez en olive oil mixture. Rub it into your hair from the root to the tip, focusing on the spot that on to get the driest. You may want to use a plastic shower cap to cover your treated hair. Apply some it. Since the kick conditioning method, the best way to apply it is to use a hair dryer. Set your hair dryer to a medium setting en direct to warmer your hair for at least 10 minutes. Change the positioning of the hair dryer regularly so you aren't rid of hair get treated with it. Rinse out the conditionné. After this 30 minutes, remove the plastic cap and rinse the nez en olive oil mixture out of your hair using cool water. Keep rinsing until the water run clear. To help dry your hair and then still as usual.